Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to break down how to fix your shake effects and actually make them look like 10 times better. So if this video helps you out, subscribe to the channel and keep learning with me. A lot of people go either way too soft with shakes or they throw on a ton of presets and it ends up looking crazy fake. You want something that actually feels like a real camera movement or just pro-grade energy effects. So really quickly, I'm going to show you how to build a clean one manually. So firstly, what we're going to do is come and add an adjustment layer. And if you don't know how to do that already, you just come to the project panel, you right click, new item, and you just come over here to adjustment layer and click OK. And we're just going to drag that onto the timeline. And for this one, we're going to make it 12 frames long. So holding options, I'm going to go one time right, so 5 again, and then just go 1, 2, just like that. So now that is 12 frames long, and I'm going to put that in the center of the split right here, so just right there. And I'm going to show you how to recreate this super smooth shake effect from my Energy V2 preset. So I'm just going to grab it and drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer and show you guys what that looks like. As you can see, it's super smooth and it literally took 5 seconds to make, and I'm going to show you how to recreate the shake effect. So the first effect that we're going to come and add onto this is going to be a transform. So I'm just going to search that up and throw that onto the adjustment layer, and I'm also going to add a brightness and contrast, and I'm going to throw that onto the adjustment layer as well. And we're going to be working with the transform first. So come to the beginning of the adjustment layer and you're going to click keyframe on scale and position, and you're going to uncheck the use composition shutter angle and make the shutter angle 180. This is a very important step. Do not forget to do this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 3 frames ahead. I'm going to zoom into like 180. I'm going to bring the position keyframe all the way up, just like that. And then I'm going to go 2 frames ahead again. And I'm going to bring this one all the way down, just right there before it hits. And then I'm going to go a couple frames ahead again. Gonna bring it not all the way up, but like kind of towards like the middle right here. And then I'm going to go all the way to the end, or actually right here. I'm going to bring this slightly down so we have this kind of like bouncing effect. And I'm going to come to the end right here, and I'm going to reset just like that. I can even maybe just delete this one keyframe so it's a bit smoother. And what we're going to do now is just paste the scale keyframe, the same 181 right here at this keyframe. And I'm going to come all the way to the end again, and I'm going to reset the scale so it just scales out smoothly. As you guys can see, the transition is already looking insanely smooth. And if you want to spice it up even more, you can play with the keyframes. Follow these next steps, very important. What we're going to do is grab these first 2 keyframes on scale and position, right click, temporal interpolation, and what we're going to do is we're going to ease them out, and then we're going to grab these last ones right here and we're going to ease them in. And for all of these ones right here in the middle, what we're going to do is make them a continuous Bezier, just like that. And now when we play this back, it looks way smoother. And now we're just going to add the flashing and we're going to be all set. So we're going to come to the beginning and keyframe the brightness and contrast. We're going to go 2 frames ahead. We're going to make the brightness something like 65 and make the contrast something like 45. Just like that. We're going to go 2 frames ahead, reset, and then we're just going to basically do the same thing over and over. So I'm just going to grab these keyframes and copy and paste these keyframes and just do that all the way until the end. And then with all of these keyframes, what you can go ahead and do is just select all of them just like that and right click them and just put continuous Bezier. So now if we play this through, this is the full look. As you can see, insanely smooth. It didn't take super long, took a few minutes, but with the drag and drop from the Energy V2, it goes a lot faster. Making these shake effects over and over can be time consuming, so that's why I created these 2 packs. You just throw it on, drag and drop, and it's literally done. Timeline stays clean. You don't have to mess with any curves or keyframes or anything like that. It's built to work perfectly on any clip, and I even have a bundle deal for both of them currently. It's a big money saver. So yeah, if you want to save time and have some nice high quality energy effects in your projects, it's linked down below. And there's also a bonus of 20 free presets if you cop the bundle, which is only going to be available for the next few days. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to break that down real quick. Hope that helped, and let me know if you want a part 2. But anyways, on that note, catch you guys next time. Peace.